Let's talk early extension, how to fix it, the best drill in order to correct it, and proper feels in order for you to rotate like a tour pro and stop jumping at the golf ball. So first, let's discuss why you have an early extension problem where the pelvis goes towards the golf ball. Normally with my clients, I see the club is too weak at the top, which causes the reaction of going over the top. And from this position, as a last second shallowing mechanism, the golfer will throw their hip at the golf ball, causing their chest to raise up vertically to create a last second effort for space to the hitting zone. Instead, we need to make sure from the start that our club is in a strengthened position at the top, either through grip strengths or wrist matchups. And then from this position, making sure that it's coming in through more of a shallow area. So once you correct your pattern and your club face strength, we're now going to talk about what the trail hip needs to do and what the hips in general have to feel in the downswing. Instead of this trail hip going towards the golf ball, encroaching on the space that we have, we need to feel like the right hip goes back up against an imaginary wall, followed by the left hip going back, which will basically feel like both of my hips are going back up against this wall here. And then from this position, the right hip will now rotate around while the left hip opens up and the left leg will extend through impact. So to basically simplify this, we're going right hip against the wall, both cheeks against the wall, then left hip against the wall as the right hip begins to rotate. I'm about to give you a great drill using a Tour Aim golf stick, which you can put right in front of your thigh in order to get rid of this right hip being thrown at the golf ball for early extension and to get both of these hips back by using instant feedback with training aids. And from this angle, we're setting it right in front of our thigh, getting in our posture, right hip back, both hips up against the wall, rotating through. There is no motion of that right hip going towards the golf ball, and this Tour Aim alignment system is going to allow us to push back that right hip and to not let it encroach the golf ball and get closer. As you can see, it'll knock over if that does happen. If you're an advanced golfer, you can hit golf balls at slower motions. If you're a beginner golfer just trying to undo your early extension pattern, just simply put this club across your chest, go to the top of your backswing, both hips back, and then rotate through. If you are missing the stick, you are doing it correct. Another great visual is to imagine in your downswing that somebody is pulling back your left pocket, which will also add hip flexion, allowing your chest to go more down, and then the left hip clears, causing an extension element as that hip begins to rotate. What we don't want to do is have the hips slide too much towards the target. It's a little bit of transfer towards our left side with the hip bumping in this direction, while both of the hips go back, and then there's rotation through the impact zone. So try that move. You'll get rid of your early extension once and for all. If you want to pick up a Tour Aim golf alignment stick, then go in the link in my bio. You can get 20% off with the promo code GETGolfing20. If you like videos like this, I'm going to be doing a 10-part series on how to use this training aid. If you want to watch the next one, just click the link in the video right now, and you can go to the next video in this series. Thank you for watching. As always, I ask you to press like and subscribe and follow, and I'll see you next time.